Hi and welcome to this course about SketchUp, LayOut, and Enscape. Three effective and powerful tools which make working and creating integrated projects for your own business way easier. Whether you are a student or a professional, they are very important software you gotta know in 3D modeling, documentation, and realistic rendering. They allow you to build full projects, including the 3D model, construction drawings, and visualization, in a more elegant and organized way. But you are going to learn all about that from the ground up in this course. You don't need to know anything about SketchUp, LayOut, and Enscape to get started with this course. Instead, we are going to start at the basics and we are going to build up knowledge effectively and smoothly, step by step, throughout this course. You are going to learn how LayOut and Enscape is linked to SketchUp, what the connection is, and why you might need Enscape in visualization, and why you always need to know about SketchUp. You are going to learn what component is, what are best practices in SketchUp, what are elements of the UI, and what its advantage of each one. And you are going to learn SketchUp tools, of course with the required theory, but also in a practical way. Then we will build together a full project covering architecture, landscape architecture, and interior, while we use the foundations we have learned in primary sections of this course. And where thereafter, we are going to dive into Enscape and LayOut. And you are going to learn what Enscape is. Also how to render videos and 3D shots with Enscape. After that, you are going to learn how to create a document in LayOut and what is the right workflow in LayOut, how to arrange and connect your work in LayOut and SketchUp, and according to required outputs, what are best render types in LayOut, and how we can publish documents. Now in this course, you are going to learn how to make the same model in the thumbnail step by step from zero. And the document represents this project. So you are not going to model a room. This is not an interior course, you don't need to know interior styles. But instead, we are going to model a bunch of components and groups, add materials and configuration files, and we are going to simply work on small examples, teaching you foundations and lots of concepts and tools that makes you can build the main project of this course. Of course, you will know the story of this project and all its details. And while we build it, we will apply and gain extra knowledge in 3D modeling, realistic visualization, and prepare documents. By the end of the course, you will feel confident using SketchUp, LayOut, and Enscape in your next projects. And you are ready to dive deeper into it, dive into advanced scenarios, anything you might want to do. Now, that's the course. I would love to start this journey together with you, and therefore, hopefully, see you in the course. And let's learn SketchUp, LayOut, and Enscape together.